During the Japanese occupation, the diversity and uniqueness of Taiwan's many species caught the interest of researchers, who followed one another into the pristine wilderness. From this time on, the hidden beauty of Formosa was gradually revealed, becoming known by people from around the world. Starting in 1974, the Bureau began to designate conservation areas, including permanent sample plots, to carry out inventory of rare and valuable species. The Bureau's conservation efforts covered a wide area. From coast regions to mountain peaks, its presence can be seen around the island. It extends the same kind of care to indigenous and migratory species based on their rarity. Apart from educating the public, rangers and policemen work together to stop poaching of shrike or gray-faced buzzard when they pass through Kanding. We hope that these friends from afar can enjoy our hospitality and continue their annual visits. The Bureau also commissioned academic and research bodies to conduct field surveys, so that even long-distance travelers who only sojourn in Taiwan are carefully monitored by the Bureau. Currently, 45,000 species have been recorded in Taiwan, and to ensure that this island continues to be enriched by this diversity of wildlife, the Bureau takes an active part in international conservation efforts. To prevent flooding, erosion, and mudslides, the Bureau's eco-engineering incorporates flood prevention techniques to meet both conservation and management goals. Coordinating with tourism requirements, it protects streams and their inhabitants in a multi-purpose flood prevention policy. To maximize public benefits from land and water resource management, the Forestry Act mandates different types of protected forest, which are managed in different ways. As the trees in these areas bury their roots deeply in Taiwan's soil, they will help preserve Taiwan's natural environment. Forestry roads were the arteries of the logging industry. Since the 1980s, with logging severely restricted, many of these roads were converted into scenic paths, bringing visitors closer to nature. Protecting precious forest resources is everybody's responsibility. The Forestry Bureau assigns rangers to patrol the forests and has checkpoints at the entrance to forest roads to enhance national forest management. In July 2004, the Forest and Nature Conservation Police Brigade was established in cooperation with the National Police Administration. They will work together with rangers to prevent illegal cultivation, logging, and other violations of forestry laws. Dry autumn and winter weather and dry leaves on the forest floor greatly increase the risk of forest fires. When the danger level moves from green to yellow or up to red, a group of people are anxiously awaiting for orders to deploy. These are the forest firefighters, the forest's first line of defense. In 2001, the Bureau installed the U.S. ICS Emergency Command System to enhance its handling of emergency situations. It also upgraded firefighting and communication equipment. This was not only to better protect the forest, it also allows firefighters to operate in greater safety. As long as the yellow coats of these firemen can be seen, Taiwan's verdant forests will always remain green. Forests are never quiet. Listen carefully, and you will hear the bustle of forest life. Volunteers help the Bureau promote ecotourism and nature education. A single trip to the forest can give students the chance to understand the environment in which we live. By learning about nature, they also learn to respect life. The Bureau's first Nature Education Center was established on Mount Dongyan. Others followed. Environmental education has become more diverse, taking place in a hands-on outdoor classroom. Taiwan has many places of unspoiled nature distributed across many forest recreation areas. Their beauty changes with the seasons.